Hi guys, Evan here. I just went out to the front garden and I found something. I'll take you and have a look. And here it is. Oh my god. The dead magpie. Oh my god. That is embarrassing. Hey. Guys, I don't know what I'm after saying. It's just... Dad! Yeah guys, so this is what happens when a magpie takes ill. So guys, I'm just after seeing what's after happening here. I'm going to turn on my flashlight with him. Guys, it is absolutely one of them. Hey buddy! Oh my god. Sam, leave it. Sam, look. No, leave it, Sam. Sam, leave it. Don't. Stop it. Leave it. It has germs. Leave it. Stop. Guys, just look at that. That is embarrassing. Oh my god. I'm holding my dog back so he doesn't attack it. It's well dead anyway. Sam, leave it. Because I don't know how this little poor chap got here. Stop. Guys, that is so disgrace.